Welcome back to 9th class English Medium Mathematics class. Here we are going to solve the problems in exercise 1.3. You may read there what is the question. Visualize 2.874 on the number line using successive magnification. 2.874 అనేటటువంటి ఒక డెసిమల్ టెర్మినేటింగ్ డెసిమల్ ని మనం నెంబర్ లైన్ మీద గుర్తించాలి. How to locate this 2.874 on the number line? For that purpose, what is the system we approach? Successive magnification. Successive magnification అంటే ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం. మనకి దూరంగా ఉన్న కొండలను చూసినప్పుడు బ్లూ కలర్లో కొండ మొత్తం మనకి కనబడుతూ ఉంటుంది. మన కొండకు దగ్గరగా పోయే కొద్ది ఏమవుతుంది, కొండలో కొంత పార్ట్ మాత్రమే కనబడుతూ పోతుంది. చివరికి తీరా కొండ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే ఎంత కనబడుతుంది, మాకు కొంచెం పార్టే కనబడుతుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది అంటే దూరంగా ఉన్నప్పుడు కొండ యొక్క ఆ చివర ఈ చివర చూడగలుగుతున్నాము. దగ్గర పోయే కొద్ది స్పెసిఫిక్ ఏరియా కొంత పర్టికులర్ ప్రాంతాన్ని మాత్రమే మనం చూడగలుగుతున్నాము. దీన్ని మనం సక్సెసివ్ మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ కింద చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. అంటే దగ్గరగా పోయే కొద్ది అక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి చిన్న చిన్న మొక్కలు, రాళ్ళు, ఇసుక లాంటివి కూడా కనబడతాయి. దూరంగా ఉన్నప్పుడు బ్లూ కలర్లో కొండ మొత్తం ఒకటే రకంగా కనబడుతుంది. కొంచెం దగ్గరికి పోతే లోయలు, మెట్ట, పల్లము, పెద్ద పెద్ద చెట్లు కనబడతాయి. మరీ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు స్పెసిఫిక్గా చిన్న చిన్న మొక్కలు కనబడతాయి. అంటే అలాగనే ఇక్కడ కూడా మనం ఊహించుకుంటే నెంబర్ లైన్ మీద ఆ ప్రక్రియని హియర్ యూ మే అస్యూమ్ దట్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఆన్ ద నెంబర్ లైన్. మనకి ఇప్పుడు నెంబర్ లైన్ మొత్తం కనపడుతూ ఉంది స్క్రీన్ మీద. దాని దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది, యూ మే అబ్జర్వ్ దే 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the right side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 in the left side. But what is our task? Our task is 2.874 locate how to locate 2.874 on the number line. Where it is, you assume it where it is. It lies between 2 and 3. Why? Because of the value of the number is 2.874. 2.874. That is greater than 2 and lesser than 3. That means it lies between 2 and 3. The 2.874 lies between 2 and 3. Okay. Now here you observe the 2.874 lies between 2 and 3. Where it is on the number line? You look there. 2 and 3. This is 2 and this is 3. That means the 2.874 lies between 2 and 3 on the number line. Using successive magnification అంటే 2కి 3కి మధ్య ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ నెంబర్ లైన్ పార్ట్ని మనము ఎన్లార్జ్ చేద్దాం, అంటే జూమ్ చేద్దాం. అంటే రెండు వైపు 3 వైపు పట్టుకుని లాగితే మధ్యలో ప్రాంతం ఏమవుతుంది, జూమ్ అవుతుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ యూ మే అబ్జర్వ్ I zoomed the line between 2 and 3. Then I get like the second number line. You may observe on the screen. Okay. Now here this one is 2 and this one is 3. Okay. The second number line, the end points, one side is 2, another side is 3. That means I zoomed the line between 2 and 3. Now, what is the next point after 2? This is 2.1, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3. That means I zoom the line between 2 and 3, and again I divide that part into 10 equal parts. I write those points on the second number line. Now, what is the first decimal point? 2.874. What is the first digit after the decimal point is 8? That means 2.8. So 2.874 lies between 2.8 and 2.9. Where those 2 points? Here you may observe this is 2.8 and this is 2.9. So 2.874 lies between, here you may observe I write it, 2.8 is less than 2.874, that is also less than 2.9. That means 2.874 ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, 2.8 కి 2.9 కి మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. Now you proceed the same procedure what we did in the previous. Again you enlarge the distance between 2.8 and 2.9 as previous. Like this. We enlarge the length of the number line between 2.8 and 2.9 like this. Here you may write the first point is 2.8 and the next point, last point is 2.9. Okay, again you may divide that length of the line lies between 2.8 and 2.9 into 10 equal parts. That means here you observe on the screen what I write after 2.8. You write the first point here 2.81, 2.82, 2.83, 2.84, 2.85 and 2.86, 2.87, 2.88, 2.89, 2.90 means 2.9. Okay, what we did here, we divide the number line which lies between 2.8 and 2.9 into 10 equal parts. Now here you observe what is our number. 2.874 is our target number. We focused on that. Where it is 2.87 is here. You may observe in the third number. This is 2.87 and this is 2.88. That means 2.874 lies between 2.87 less than 2.874, that is also less than 2.88. Okay, now again you enlarge the number line which is 2.87 and 2.88 into 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts. So you may observe here what I am doing. Again, length of the number line which lies between 2.7 to 2.8 like this. You may write the endpoints. You may write the endpoints. What are the endpoints? This point is 2.87. The endpoint is 2.88. Now you what You write here what is the next point after 2.87? 2.871. This point is 2.871. This point is 2.872. This one is 2.873. Next one is 2.874. Next point is 2.875. 2.876. 2.877. 2.878. 2.879. You may observe what I write on the points of on a number line. Now you observe where our focus point 2.74. You observe there 2.874 on the last number line. Here you may observe it. Here you may observe it. This is 2.874. That is our third number. Okay. What do you say about this one? This is a terminating decimal. 2.874 is a terminating decimal, and also it is a real number. Already we know it. The combination of rational and irrationals are real numbers. Here the 2.874 is a terminating decimals. That means the rationals are convert two type of decimals. One is the terminating decimals and the other one is non-terminating recurring decimal. If it is an irrational number, it is in the form of non-terminating non-recurring decimals. That means today we locate the real number, that is a decimal number, that is a terminating decimal on the, we locate the terminating decimal 2.874 on the number line. Okay. Now we move to there is one more question is there, that is visualize minus 0.28 on the number line up to 3 decimal places. Here what is 5.28? Already know it. 5.28 means 28 bar, means it is a non-terminating recurring decimal, that may be written as 5.2828 etc. But what is our task here? Here up to 3 decimals. Up to 3 decimals. That's today we locate 5.28 bar on the number line up to 3 decimals. Means 5.28 bar means already I written here 5.2828 and so on. That means up to 3 decimals means 5.282. Previous one is 2.874. The previous 2.874. Now at present question is 5.282. 5.282. So now our task is locate the 5.282 on the number line. I do this one at your home. You look there, 5.282. How to write? It is as usual as previous one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the right side. On the left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 on the left side. Okay. Now you observe here our task is 5.28. Hence you may take a small correction. That 5.28 lies between 5 and 6. So 5 less and 5.282 less than 6. That means the length of the number line which lies between 5 and 6 is divided into 10 equal parts. So you may take on the number line 5 and 6, hence I make a small correction here on the number line. I write number line like this from here on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the left side -1, -2, -3, -4. You take this type of number line, and already you written here focused number. What is the focused number here? 5.282. It lies between 5 and 6. Hence first you may identify those two where it is. This is 5 and this is 6. Okay. Now we enlarge the number line which lies between 5 and 6 like this. This is 5 and this is 6. So here you write this is 5 and this end point is 6. Again you divide this length of the number line into 10 equal parts. That means 1, 5.2, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, 5.6, 5.9 and 6. Now you observe what is our target number? 5282. So where it is? You identify 5.28 between 5.2 and 5.3. 5.2 and 5.3. That means here I write 5.2 less than 5.282, that is less than 5.3. Okay, that means where these two 5.2 and 5.3, you may locate those two on the line. This is 5.2 and this is 0.3. Again you do the same procedure what we did. You may zoom out these 2 points. So this is 5.2. This is 5.3. Okay, again you write the end points named as this one is 5.2. This one is 5.3. Now you write the remaining points. How do you write it? 5.21, 5.22, 5.24, 5.25, 5.26, 5.27, 5.28, 5.29 and 5.3. Again you observe here, where are those 2 points? What are those two? What is our target number? 5.282. That means where it locates 5.28 and 5.29. 5.28 and 5.29. 5.28 and 5.29. Do the above procedure. That means you may zoom out the length of the between 5.28 5.29, and again you divide that number line, that part of number line, into 10 equal parts. You may write here 5 point this is 5.28, this is 5.29. What are the remaining points here? Here you write 0.281. In this manner you may complete the last step and identify the 5.282 on the number line in your notebook. I hope you may do this and take a snap and send it into WhatsApp group. I will look and correct it.